Okay, you ready to go up there, Mila?
Yeah.
Hold on, we gotta wait for Rod. And I wanted to face that side too. Hold on. Extra, let me stand up. One second. Here, baby.
Santa's tricks. Sneaky Santa.
We're gonna do that one another year, okay? Because we're gonna do the one that lights up.
But this one won't light up.
Sleepy.
Oh, Beck, come here, baby. You wanna help? Come here, Beck. Or are you gonna dance?
He's trying to ride on the motorcycle.
Help mommy.
Help mommy.
Decoration.
Here,
Hey,
give
Christmas
your
tree
brothers-
can decorate on here.
Oh, here, Beck. Here, you wanna put the bells on? Look it, you can put the bells on. Get the bells out.
Okay, that's fine.
I'll help you
You
back.
help mama. Help mama. Go decorate the tree.
Daddy, put on the tree.
Put on the tree. Oh yeah, put it there.
We really need one more of these guys, but
Okay.
good job,
Look,
Addie.
Margot's looking.
That's where you want to put it, Addie? Right there? Good job. Here, I'll help you. You want me to help you? Where do you want to put it? You
Right
want,
here, Addie.
you want to put it
There's one
right
more.
here? Right here? Okay, I'll help you. Let's put it right here.
Have mommy help you.
Yay!
Alright, there you go.
Baby.
Oh, baby.
Yeah, that's Daddy when you're a baby.
Gotta wrap it around.
Don't do that. That doesn't. Oh. No, you don't do it. Let me help you.
You want some help?
Oh, what fun it is to
Whoa.
ride in a one-horse open
What is the spacing of
sleigh.
the? Is the spacing
Jingle
of the other pair?
bells, jingle
Yeah,
bells,
perfect.
jingle
And then up
all
here?
the
Yep.
way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
You should explain that we can't put all our Christmas decorations
Yeah,
up.
we can't. We can only put the.
Uh-oh. Christmas decoration cho anh Phật thảo dễ là mangin. Chắc thấy đồng chí cắt bà ngay nè.
So yeah, we can't put up all our glass ones.
Yeah.
The kids will destroy them.
Again, I want to say Merry Christmas.
And new
What
one.
fun it is to come here, baby.
And new one, Mom.
Jingle
Oh,
bells,
cute.
jingle bells,
I'm so happy.
all the way.
You're so happy.
Oh, what fun it is! Is it fun, Mila?
Yeah, I like my.
I know. Oh, that is so pretty.
That's my. I like that. That's
Oh,
my
you know what? It
favorite.
matches your dress.
It's sparkly.
Oh, sparkly. do, 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 do.
Here
Your
goes
mommy
Meg.
is so good.
Favorite.
Should I fix this? Hang on, I gotta look further
Do,
back.
do, 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 do. Meanwhile, Addie.
It's okay. It's mostly mommy decorating.
Do, do. Okay, help mommy. Addie. Mila, you help mom. Okay. Oh, what fun.
Here, Mila, you can put the mushrooms. Go get the red bag.
Okay,
Go get the red bag.
we're in a Sunday. Okay, what we bought today, okay? Special mushrooms.
Here. Here.
Oh, what's that? Okay, hold on, baby. Oh, hold on, because I was,
Oh.
okay. All right.
Here,
Mila,
Mila.
Mila.
Pick which one you want to put up, babe. Oh, okay. And then Addie and Beck, you can choose which one you want to put up.
I want to do my best one.
Your best one. Farmers market ạ. À kệ thầy lâu chi. Da 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 da. Okay, back. Come here.
Here, these
Help
are.
mommy. Come here.
Back.
Right there. Back,
That's
back.
the spot that fell off.
Okay, that one I have to put
Hey,
up high because
right
it's
there.
fragile, okay?
That's it.
Good
boy, good boy.
Good job, Dad. That's her very special
Yeah.
one.
Oh, yay!
Beck, say Merry Christmas.
I'll put that one at the very top of the tree so that your brothers can't.
But the
knock it down.
first thing's on it.
Yeah, I'll put it at the very top.
I'll show you where to
Oh dear.
Here, Addie, put this on the tree.
Put that on the tree, Addie.
Beck, say Merry Christmas.
put it. Mom!
What, babe?
Oh. Happy New Year. Oh, wish you a Merry
Mila, you
Christmas.
should bring it out
We
here.
wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry
Good job.
Christmas.
Whoa.
Happy New Year.
Good job, Addie.
Mom, I can put it up and my wall will do the hanger.
Okay.
How about I lift you up and
Yeah,
you
you
put it up
lift
high?
it. Mommy lift you up.
No,
Oh!
I put
Show it to Papa. Show it to Papa.
That's
Let me
her
see.
That's her special.
Okay,
Oh,
hold on,
I
turn
like
it around.
that.
Turn it around.
Let me see it.
Turn it around next to the camera.
Oh, that's pretty.
Oh, that's a ballerina.
Mom, I want to show you where I put it.
Okay.
Mom, come on.
Yes. You want to put it somewhere.
And I will.
Okay.
Hi.
But
Up
I think.
in the room has a hanger.
Okay. I think we should put it up high.
We're gonna
Yeah.
put it up high.
No, I have a good idea. Come on, follow me.
You have a good idea, Addie? Be careful.
Mama?
Yeah, Mama.
Okay. Mila, you want to help me? Oh, Addie, you can help me.
Beck's under her dryer. Look, Addie. Look, he's scared.
Okay, good job, Addie.
Yay!
Go get another one, Addie.
Get another one. Here we have more.
Good job. All the mushrooms together.
Yay!
I don't want everything to get messed up, and I will. Oh, no.
Okay.
We're decorating the tree.
Yeah, she said she doesn't want it to get messed up.
Okay, yeah. Here, then I have a special spot. Do you want me to hold you?
No, I will.
Here, you can put it at the tippy
Yeah,
top.
let Mommy hold you up.
No, I have a good idea. My room, follow me.
We gotta put it
You
on.
gotta put on this tree.
Follow me. I don't want everything to get messed up.
Okay, come back soon. Maybe Mommy can.
Mama.
Okay, I'll see what your idea is, but then you gotta come back.
Okay. Woo-hoo-hoo.
All right, here's another mushroom.
Mama.
She's smiling. Yeah. What is?
Uh-oh, this is go to green.
This strong, this long to get put on a shelf like a porcelain
Baxter. Everybody dance.
Dance back, dance.
Oh. Woo-hoo. Oh.
All right, you want to put it up at the top? Okay. That's the perfect spot. Then
Right there.
Oh, that's so pretty.
It twirls in the light. Cute. Okay, which star do you want, Mila?
Yeah, you pick the stars for the top.
Do you want Which one?
One.
You want that straw?
One. Yeah.
This one is breakable.
It needs to go on the very top.
Right.
Oh, Addie loves metal music. All right.
But that can lift me up and I can do it really careful.
Yeah, maybe Daddy can hold you up.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
It is, but if I fall down,
Well, Daddy will help you.
but I don't want it to fall down.
I don't think it will fall.
This one's breakable. This one's breakable. And this one's breakable.
Mommy's when I was a little girl.
Oh, wow.
It says M.
How about this one? Mommy and Daddy 2018.
This is so cute.
Oh, that
Oh,
is
wow.
so cute.
Can you put some more high, some more things?
This is a
Yeah.
breakable one.
Yeah, put
So
it.
this is
Put
the
it
breakable
up
too.
there. No, not by the.
Here.
Yeah. We'll see. Can Addie throw his basketball up there? Maybe.
Probably,
Okay. Where's the red mushroom? Oh, there it is. Here, we gotta put this cute one.
This is Maeve. Hey, Maeve, in here.
Aww.
Dexter, Addie. Okay, go ahead, okay. But there, go ahead.
There we go. Oh, Addie, you gotta put that one somewhere, buddy. Where do
Oh,
you
this
want
is
to put
missing.
it? I know. Okay.
That's creepy.
Oh, the song is?
Yeah, this is a creepy Christmas song. This is supposed to be Sneaky Santa. Giving everyone gifts when you're sleeping.
Yeah. You know what? When I was little, the Santa Claus will come in my house next to my bed. I will have my gift. Guess what? I always get in the morning. I always have a boiled eggs in my gift box.
And
Santa will give me boiled eggs.
what Santa will give me that?
Okay, how many do we have?
Make sure it's on there really good.
That's a special
That's a really good
ballerina.
spot. Let's see. I
Whoa.
love it. I love it.
Yeah.
Just
Do you love it?
Say, let me
Maybe she
in.
wants to hang one. You want to hang it?
The holidays.
Careful with
The baby.
Hold on.
Here. Do you want to try and do it? I don't know if I can do it and hold you at the same time. Oh no. We're gonna have to lower it.
Take the baby.
What do you think? Right there?
Oh, I like the way it holds. It clip.
You like it right there?
Yeah, but I want it right over.
Do you?
All right, now we're going to. Here we go. Let's count down.
What? No, we don't have to.
Oh.
1, 2, 3,
Dude, none of these attachments have an extra.
It,
And see what it looks like. You can edit it all the time. Hold on, the baby is not showing. Here. Yeah, you hold the baby, honey.
Hold the baby.
Yeah.
All right, Baxter, come here. Mila, back.
Mila!
No, we're gonna say Merry Christmas. Mila, come here. We're gonna say Merry Christmas to the camera.
Okay, you stand up.
All right.
Mila, you stand next to Mama.
yeah.
On the side.
Perfect. Right here.
Stand up.
Right here.